In the rolling green hills of western Georgia, a single stone pillar rises from the earth like a finger pointing towards heaven. Katskhi Pillar, a marvel created not by men, but by nature itself, and chosen by the faithful as a gateway between earth and the divine. For centuries, this towering monolith stood shrouded in mystery. The locals called it the Pillar of Life, believing it was a bridge between the heavens and the earth. In the early medieval centuries, Christian monks came here, building a tiny chapel on top of the summit, seeking solitude closer to God, far from the temptations of the world below. At 40 meters high, taller than a 10-story building, Katskhi Pillar became a living symbol of devotion and isolation. For decades, the pillar stood abandoned, until in the 1990s, a lone monk named Father Maxime ascended the pillar to revive the ancient tradition. Day after day, he climbed the steel ladder, carrying supplies, restoring the crumbling chapel, living in prayer high above the world. Even today, the pillar remains off limits to most, a sacred sanctuary for those willing to endure the vertical pilgrimage. Katskhi is more than just a stone monument. It is a reminder that even in a noisy, hurried world, there are still places where silence reigns and where the soul dares to climb closer to eternity. A solitary finger reaching upwards, reminding us of the dreams that still lie above the clouds.